Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about merge sort. First of all, what is merge sort? A sort algorithm that splits the items to be sorted in two groups recursively, sorts each group and merges them into a final sorted sequence. I will explain you about how the merge sort algorithm works. Now take 8 numbers, like for example 43, 28, 34, 36, 2, 1 and 5 and 21. These are the list of 8 numbers that have been taken. First, it divides these 8 numbers into two groups. Those are 4 in one group and other 4 in second group. Now 43, 28, 34 and 36 are in the left hand side group and 2, 1, 5, 2, 5, 21 are in the right hand side group. Now these 4 are divided into another two groups and these 4 also are divided into another two groups. It divides up to every number gets divided into single number. Now after divided into single digits, as it is divided into 43, 28, 34, 36, 2, 1, 5 and 21. Now after these are divided into single number, now it will compare the two numbers to every two numbers and it will sort the elements. Now in these two elements, those are 43 and 28. Now which is the least element here? The least element is 28. So 28 goes to the left hand side. Every least number goes into the left hand side and the bigger number to the right hand side. Now 28 and 43 are sorted. Now here 34 and 36. In these two numbers, the 34 is the least and 36 is the highest number. So 34 and 36 will remain constant here. So it will take as 34 and 36. Now again, here. Again in these 2 and 1 numbers, the 1 will go to the left hand side and 2 will go to the right hand side. After that 5 and 21 also will sorted like that only. Then after this, now these numbers are sorted in list of two numbers. Now it will compare the two. Now we have 4 lists. 4 lists are available here. Now two lists are compared. Now also it will be sorted in the ascending order of these two lists into a new list of 4 numbers, and these two lists also will be sorted in the new list of 4 numbers as in the ascending order. Now we have 2 lists here. Now these two lists are compared and it will sorted as in ascending order. Now we will discuss about the time complexity of the merge sort. First of all, what is meant by time complexity? It is nothing but the computational complexity that describes the amount of time it takes to run an algorithm. Now, in the time complexity of merge sort, the average case is big O of n log n, and the best case is big O of n log n, and the worst case is also the big O of n log n. Now I will show you how to write the program for the merge sort. First of all, we have to define a function. I am defining it as merge sort of a list. I am defining a list here itself. Now print splitting comma a list. It will print the list we have been taken or that has been passed. Now we have to give if condition here. If len of a list is greater than 1, then only we have to give one formula here, that is mid equal to len of a list float division 2. Then it will divide into two halves of a passed list. Then now we have to put the divided list in two halves, that is one is left half equal to a list of column mid, then right half equal to a list of mid, then we have to give column, then it will take the right half of the given list, it will take the left half of the given list. Now again we have to, now we should call the left half and right half to the mid sort equal to mid sort of left half, then like this only we have to call the right half also, mid sort of right half. Now we have divided the list into two halves and putted those two halves into the two variables, that is left half and right half, and we have sent those two halves into the defined mid sort of a list. Now I am declaring three variables. One is I equal to 0, then j equal to 0, then k equal to 0. Now we have to give a while function here, where I is less than length of left half and j is less than length of right half where I is less than length of left half and j is less than length of right half and right half. Then we have to give another if condition in the nested while loop. If left half of I means left half I means it will access every number in the given list of left half. If left half I is less than right half of j means it will check every number in the left half and right half. If the value of left half is less than right half, then we should assign to a list of k equal to left half of I, and I equal to I plus 1. This is the increment for I values. If the left half of I is less than right half of j, means it will check every element in the left half and right half also. If the left half element is less than the right half, then it will send to the list, that is a list of k. Otherwise it goes down and it increases the number, and it will again check if the left half of number is less than the right half of number, then it will again affix to the list of k. Like that process will go on. Next we have whether if it is false, this condition is false, then we have to give here else condition. Else a list of k equal to right half of j. Right half of j. Then we have to give the increment, that is j equal to j plus 1. Here we have to give another increment also, that is k equal to k plus 1. Now after that we have to again give while condition. Now here again we will use another while function. If while I is less than length of left half, that is the length of left half list, then we will assign the left half of that number into the list k. Then here again the same process continues. It will increment I equal to I plus 1 and k equal to k plus 1. Then again after that we have to take another while condition. I is less than length of left half list, means we have to assign the left half of that integer to the list of k. Then again same process, we have to increment the value of I and increment of the value of k. Then again we have to take a while function to check if j is less than the length of right half list, then we have to assign the right half of that integer to the list of k. Then we have to again increment j equal to j plus 1 and k equal to k plus 1. Now we have to print the final list here, that is called merging a list. Now I am passing the list values here, and I am calling the defined function, that is merge sort of a list, to here. Then I am printing the final list to here by giving the print function. Now if we run the program, it shows the splitting of the list into 2 divisions, and later into 3 divisions, and later into 2 divisions, and later into each of the number as 1 division, and finally it merges into a single list as ascending order. Then it prints the final list as here, that is 1, 2, 5, 21 and 28 and 34 and 36 and 43. This is the final list of the merge sort. Thank you friends for watching.